Welcome to Easy English Bookshelf. Thanks for joining us today. You will enhance your vocabulary by listening then speaking, with this fun story to keep you entertained while practicing and learning. Let's get started. Once upon a time in a vibrant garden. Lola, the adventurous ladybug. Was out on one of her explorations. She loved to explore the leaves and flowers. One spring day, she heard a buzzing noise. And she followed the sound. And discovered Benton, a friendly bee collecting nectar. Lola and Benton exchanged greetings. And curious Lola asked, "Why do bees buzz around flowers?" Benton explained, "We collect nectar to make honey." And we also help plants by pollinating them. Lola wide-eyed said, "How does pollination work?" Benton excitedly explained, "It is like a dance. Pollen from one flower's male part, called the stamen, travels to another flower's female part, called the stigma. This dance helps plants make seeds and also helps them grow. That is brilliant. Can I help pollinate too?" Lola giggled. Lola and Benton swirled around a flower. Benton added, "Bees carry pollen on their bodies. And as we move from flower to flower, we spread it around. It is a crucial role in nature's dance." As Lola and Benton continued their pollination dance, Lola got a bit carried away accidentally flew into a sticky spider web. She flapped her tiny wings, trying to break free, while Benton buzzed around her, attempting to help. Benton chuckled. Lola, looks like you're in a sticky situation. They both burst into laughter as Lola made funny faces. Trying to wiggle out of the web. Benton, using his bee skills, delicately helped Lola escape. Lola, finally free, giggled and said, "Note to self, watch out for spider webs during our dance." Benton winked. "You are a funny ladybug, Lola." Always keeping things interesting. As they continued on their pollination adventure, Benton pointed to different flowers, explaining, "Each flower has a unique way of inviting a pollinator like us. Some have vibrant colors, and others have sweet scents. It is like a grand invitation to a magic ball." Lola asked, "But how do we know which flowers need our help?" Benton smiles, "Look for the ones with pollen, like a dusting of magic powder." Our job is to carry this magic to other flowers so they can create seeds and grow into more beautiful plants. The duo danced from flower to flower, spreading pollen magic. Benton continued, "It is a partnership with Nature Lola. We help the flowers, and in return they create fruits and seeds, ensuring happy and healthy garden. Lola twirled around a flower, absorbing the magical lesson of pollination. As they left the flowers, she exclaimed, "I feel like a pollination magician now." Benton laughed. "You sure are, Lola, my magical friend." Lola and Benton pollinated together for the rest of the day. They shared laughs and jokes while spreading pollen. Lola accidentally tickled a flower, making them both giggle. Benton complimented, "You are a great pollination partner, Lola." As the sun set, Lola and Benton sat on a petal, exhausted but happy. Benton shared, "Thanks for helping me, Lola." Friends support each other. Lola smiled, and I learned so much. Let's explore more together. Lola said. Lola and Benton shared a sweet moment. Under the moonlight, chatting about their day. While laughing and enjoying a snack. This was the start of a new cherished friendship. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for another fun lesson. See you tomorrow!